This is my Ryzen 3900X build. Got 64 gig of DDR4 3200. Got a fairly large Nocturna cooling fan and just about to put it in. Still don't have my graphics card in, but I think it's gonna fit okay. It's in the case, and I do have plenty of clearance with the glass cover. There's a sabrent 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD, and I'm going to go ahead and put a 6 terabyte 7600 RPM hard drive in it for big data storage. And this is a NZXT case. Do have some RGB lighting I can put in it, so right now I'm waiting on the graphics card to come in. It's a 5700 XT.